Good morning. I've just been to Norwich doing tours and now I'm going to have a quick little bimble through Loddon for Spider Rider Kev, who now lives in Iowa. Whilst this is playing, please remember to hit that subscribe button, and if you're enjoying this vlog then give it a thumbs up and share it with your mates. And if you'd like to buy me a cup of coffee then you can do so by clicking on the link in my bio. It's very much appreciated. Thank you. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that, and if you have a place that you would like me to ride through, then just let me know. Put it in the comments down below. I'll be heading to Europe again very soon, so come join me on Facebook, Corinna Alderton, to keep an eye on where I am, and let me know if there's somewhere you want me to go. I will leave you my Relive, and I will say ta-ta for now.